How are you? Il continue à filmer, donc il faut faire continuer à faire semblant de dire des trucs intéressants.
I think it can protect you from the virus, but really the vaccine maybe is better because if not, you need to put this every time.
Looking here at the video window transforms entire glass facades into transparent video screens.
There's a motion system, there's a microphone in it, and when you start snoring, it'll listen to it. It detects, oh, you're snoring, right? And then there's 4 airbags inside the pillow, and it'll inflate very gently and slowly. It'll turn your head to the side, so that way it'll open up the airway in your throat. So that, voila, stop snoring.